Welcome back to the deep dive. And as always, if you're looking around for AI tools, the AI Agent Store is definitely a place worth checking out.
Yeah, it's got a great collection. And speaking of foundational tools you can find there, today we're focusing on TensorFlow.
TensorFlow. Right.
Right.
So this is the big open source machine learning platform from Google.
Exactly that. We thought we'd do a quick run through, kind of unpack what it is, why it's important, based on, the info right there on the AI Agent Store listing.
Okay, sounds good. So let's jump right in. TensorFlow in a nutshell, what are we talking about?
Well, basically, it's an open source platform. Think of it as a toolkit, really, for building and then deploying machine learning models.
Built by the Google Brain team, I see.
That's right. The whole idea was to make it easier to take AI concepts and actually make them real, turn them into applications.
So it's more than just one single piece of software. It sounds like a collection of things.
Oh, definitely. That's its real strength. It's a whole ecosystem. You've got tools, loads of pre-built libraries, and frankly, huge community contributing and supporting it.
And flexible, too, I gather, in terms of programming languages.
Very flexible. It supports the big ones, Python, C++, IVANs, even JavaScript,
Yeah.
which, opens it up to a massive range of developers.
Okay.
And platform-wise, it runs pretty much everywhere. Linux, Mac OS, Windows.
Standard desktop stuff.
Yeah, but also Android for mobile and even within web browsers using JavaScript.
Wow, that's quite the coverage. How long has it been around? It feels like it's been a major player for a while.
It has. Initial release was back in 2015.
Okay.
And yeah, it took off pretty quickly. Became like one of the go-to frameworks for deep learning, especially.
Yeah.
It powers a lot of stuff out there, from research projects to commercial applications.
Right. So who's the typical user then? Who benefits most from using TensorFlow?
Primarily, you're looking at machine learning engineers, the folks actually building and tuning the models.
Makes sense.
Data scientists, too, for analysis and building predictive models. AI researchers pushing the boundaries. And increasingly, software developers who just want to integrate AI features into their apps.
So if you're trying to get up to speed in the AI field, understanding TensorFlow is pretty key, isn't it?
Absolutely. It's one of those foundational pieces.
And what kind of things are people actually building with it? Can you give some concrete examples?
Sure. Researchers might be using it to prototype completely new kinds of neural networks.
Okay, cutting edge stuff.
Right. Then developers are using it for more practical things, maybe image recognition in an app.
Like identifying objects in photos?
Exactly. Or natural language processing, the tech behind, say, chatbots or translation tools. Also, educators use it a lot to teach machine learning concepts.
The data scientists.
They're using it for deep analysis, finding patterns in massive data sets, making predictions. It's really versatile.
Now, something I saw on the AI Agent Store listing was this autonomy level, 67%. That sounds advanced. What does that mean in the context of TensorFlow?
Yeah, that's a good point to clarify. It can sound a bit misleading, maybe. Yeah. TensorFlow itself, the platform, isn't autonomous. It doesn't act on its own.
Right. It's a tool.
Exactly. It's the framework you use to build things that might have some level of autonomy. So that 67%, it's more an indicator of the potential range of autonomy you could achieve in an agent built using TensorFlow.
I see. So you could build something simple or something much more complex and independent.
Precisely. You could build a simple reactive system, or you could architect something much more sophisticated that learns and adapts.
Yeah.
That percentage reflects the framework's capability to support that broad spectrum. It's indirect autonomy dependent on the developer's design.
Okay, that makes much more sense. It's about the potential of what you can build with it.
Exactly right.
So wrapping this up a bit, what's the main thing our listeners should take away about TensorFlow?
I'd say the key thing is that TensorFlow is a powerful fundamental toolkit for creating intelligent systems. It gives you the building blocks, the infrastructure to bring AI ideas to life, from research to real-world products.
It democratizes AI development in a way.
It really does. It puts these powerful capabilities into the hands of many more people. If you want to build intelligent applications, it's a crucial platform to understand.
So, to recap, TensorFlow, from Google, open source, a comprehensive framework for ML development, widely used, very versatile. And that autonomy level refers to the potential of the agents built using it.
You got it. And it really makes you wonder, doesn't it? With tools like this becoming more accessible, what kind of innovations are just around the corner?
Definitely food for thought. Well, if you want to dig deeper into TensorFlow or explore other AI tools and agents, you can find it all over at aiagentstore.ai.
Check it out.